Here is DeepSeek and ChatGPT. আসসালামু আলাইকুম ফ্রেন্ডস। আজকে আমরা আলোচনা করব ChatGPT ব্যবহার করে কিভাবে ইংরেজি সহজেই শেখা যায়। সো অনেকেই আছেন যাদের বন্দনায় স্মরণ করে যে বন্ধু-বান্ধবের সঙ্গে ইংরেজি চর্চা করতে। সো here is DeepSeek and ChatGPT. And my left is DeepSeek and my right is ChatGPT. So there are two friends. Actually, I have two friends to practice speaking English, and always I practice with them. So কিভাবে আপনারা ChatGPT সঙ্গে প্র্যাকটিস করবেন চলুন দেখে নেওয়া যাক ChatGPT কিভাবে হেল্প করে ইংলিশ শেখার জন্য।
Hello, how are you?
Hello, Jahed. I'm doing well. How about you?
Yeah, I'm fine. So, actually, I don't have any friends. So, I'd like to learn speaking English. Make a partner. Is it right way to practice with you?
Yes, practicing with me is a great way to improve your English. You can practice speaking, learn new words, and build confidence. But it's also good to find a speaking partner, maybe a classmate, a fellow freelancer, or someone online who is also learning English. Have you tried joining any English-speaking groups or online communities?
Not yet. Okay, thanks for answering me.
You're welcome, Jahed. If you ever want to practice, just let me know. Keep going. You're improving every day.
Yeah, I'm really grateful to you.
I'm really happy to help. Keep practicing, and you'll get even better.
Okay, hello, how are you? Wow, he writes more and more. Hello, I'm just a virtual assistant, so I don't have feelings, but I'm here and ready to help you with whatever you need. How are you doing? Okay, that's fantastic.
ওকে বন্ধুরা, যদি ভিডিওটি একটু ভালো লেগে থাকে লাইক কমেন্ট শেয়ার করবেন।